to you today about toxins. Have you ever truly read the labels that are on the products you're purchasing? Many of them say warning, toxins, poison, things of that sort on them, and we just sort of overlook that, assuming that they're safe to use, that they wouldn't be on the market if they were going to harm us. But I would like to just cause you to pause and think and do some research on your own. Do you know someone who has cancer or who has died from cancer? How about someone that is overweight? Or maybe the couple that you know that is trying to conceive a child? Someone who suffers from chronic headaches or insomnia even. Someone with diabetes. All these conditions and many more can be linked to toxins that are in the products that we are using. Our bodies act as a sponge and absorb the substances that we put into it as well as onto it. Just like the food we eat, the products our bodies consume can either have a positive or negative effect on our overall health. Choosing non-toxic body care and household cleaning products help you to protect yourself and your family. Parabens, fragrances, nanoparticles, triclosan, lead, phthalates, sodium lauryl sulfate, formaldehyde, ethanol, bisphenol A, benzoyl chloride, and more. The list goes on and on of toxins that are lurking in your home, and you may believe that they are safe. I never buy a product before I check the toxicity of that product through a website called the Environmental Working Group, and it might be something you would like to look into. It is E for environmental, W for working, and G for group, ewg.org. They have many products rated on their website, from sunscreens, other personal care products, to the things that you clean your bathtub or your dishes with, maybe even your laundry. They begin with products that are EWG verified. Those have the best criteria that they believe safe, and they work from there, going from the green zone, which are the safer products, to the red zone, which are the stay away from type of products that are very harmful for your health. Protect your health, considering many hazardous chemicals are in the products we're using today are carcinogens, neurotoxins, mutagens, pterogens, and endocrine disruptors. It is definitely worth ditching them in favor for non-toxic personal care and household cleaning products. Know what's in your products. Manufacturers are not required by the U.S. government to divulge their ingredients. And this is another reason that I always refer to ewg.org before purchasing any products. Although there are very few that I do purchase, the ones I do are rated very well on their website. I encourage you to create homemade versions of products that you're already buying. Some products that I make for myself and my family include things like shampoo, conditioner, mousse, aftershave, shave gel, deodorant, carpet freshener, soft scrub, all-purpose cleaner, bug spray. I'm sure I'm forgetting something, but you get the idea. So I encourage you to try some of these books here as a way to look to reduce toxins in your life. And I would just like to end with a few quotes today. Actually, I have two. The first one is by Rachel Carson. A who's who of pesticides is therefore of concern to us all. If we are going to live so intimately with these chemicals, eating and drinking them, taking them into the very marrow of our bones, we had better know something about their nature and their power. So I encourage you to look up some of the ingredients that are listed on your product labels and do some research. Find out what they are and how they could be harmful. And my last quote is by Dr. James Frazee. When it comes to profit over safety, profit usually wins. How true is that? You certainly can't get rich marketing baking soda and vinegar for cleaning purposes, can you? I challenge you to do your own research and find, instead of a nutritional lifestyle, a toxic-free lifestyle that works for you. Thank you so much for stopping in today, and have a great day.